Over 50 and still struggling with belly fat? Follow me. Lift, twist, and march with me. Just 10 seconds to start your core transformation. Let's go! Hello everyone, and welcome back to Home Fitness. Before we begin our routine, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more professional guided workouts. Welcome to today's gentle standing abs workout. Stand tall, place your hands on your waist, tighten your core, smile naturally, and get ready to move together. Lift your right knee slowly toward your belly. Now lower it down. Great. Switch sides and lift the left knee up with control. Keep your core tight and breathe naturally. Raise your right knee and crunch your elbow down toward it. Squeeze your waist muscles and release. Now repeat on the other side slowly and with control. Start marching in place. Keep your chest lifted and swing your arms naturally. Nice and easy. Keep moving and feel your body warming up. Bring your right elbow toward your left knee. Now switch sides smoothly. Twist through your waist and keep your movements controlled and steady. Reach your arms up high and engage your belly muscles. Keep moving steadily. Feel the burn in your core while staying relaxed and strong. Take a deep breath in and stretch both arms overhead. Lengthen your body gently. And slowly exhale while relaxing your shoulders. Twist your torso gently to the right. Now rotate to the left. Keep your core engaged and move slowly with full control. You did an amazing job today. Raise your hands proudly, smile, and celebrate your progress. Your body is getting stronger every day. Please share this video, comment your feedback below, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.